Monster Claus, What's It, or would you like one of these?
No.
Do you want one of these?
I already knew that.
Do you want the What's It one? You little tricker.
I told you it wasn't.
Tricker. You just being lazy. Yeah, we have to cut them like that to separate them because we don't want one big sausage, do we? Now, because we're having sausage casserole and we just like little bites, we can cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Okay? Stirring them around so they get browner on the outside and a bit crispier. Okay?
Okay.
Each sausage, if you cut into 4 pieces, yeah, that makes it just a nice size to eat, like that, yeah? No more for Ruby.
Okay.
No more for Ruby.
I like it.
You need to mind your tummy on there. You see if you can do it, sort of scoop underneath. Okay now, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, some brown. We'll turn that pan off. Right, wait there one moment. We like our sausages cut up into small pieces in our sausage casserole,
Okay.
but you can leave them full. Looks like we've got lots more sausages, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Stir them all up, mix up the carrots and the onions. That's it. Pick them up from the bottom.
Sure.
Over that way, and then careful because it's tomatoes and it'll go and we'll all be covered in tomatoes.
How can you do that?
Now tip those in. Tip it in.
Yeah.
Like that. Stir it round.
Smells.
It's lovely.
I don't like garlic smells that much.
But you like the taste.
Yeah.
That's it. Is it coming out?
It's like jelly.
Okay.
Worcester sauce.
Okay.
Favourite.
Is it your favourite?
Yeah. I went to get new balls. I'm hungry. Are you?
Because the children don't like the beans, we put them in after they've gone out the room. Secret beans. Stir them in. We grate them into the food. The children can't see them, so they eat them. Tricks. Oh, squirt it in. Oh, good girl. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you put that back in the fridge for me?
Okay.
It goes at the top. Low. 5 hours. Dinner time. So if we just make a little and the casserole in a bowl on top, or?
Yeah, I've got a casserole in a bowl and chips separate.
Job.
Yeah, it's good though. Oh, is that
Lots
good?
of sausage.
Get some more sausage then, and not so much.
Beans.
It's not beans.
Yeah.
No, don't touch it. It's hot.
I do not.
Oh, you'll burn your fingers. Another piece of sausage.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
And a little spoon.
That's the minute. What's that for?
Eating.
Eating? You can't eat dinner with that spoon.
Yeah.
You'll be there till tomorrow. Come on then, next one.
Till tomorrow.
Can you put some more out? This one's Daddy's.
Okay, Daddy, it's a lot.
It does, so you make sure you fill that bowl up.
That's not going to be enough. Let's
Put
do
some more on. Make sure you get the sausages in.
Yep. I am putting some sausage. Yeah. The salt, please.
Take you off. Or that one.
This one. No, actually, the shaky one, please.
That is a shaky
That's
one.
shaky.
That one.
You mean grinder?
You said that's the shaky.
It's all coming out all on its own.